Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. This is a lawn that I've worked on for many years. I started this business in 2004. And this lawn, strictly organic. The client does not use any synthetic fertilizers on there. I do not put any synthetic fertilizers on this lawn. When you're using organic fertilizers, that's actually a carbon-based fertility program is what you're working on. So you're trying to build up a bunch of carbon in the soil, getting the lawn and the soil to be healthy, working together, so that as problems occur naturally in a lawn, whether it's drought conditions, too much moisture, snow, whatever it is, the soil can naturally repair itself. And I noticed on most all of my organic clients' lawns, they turn green first, long before the standard fertilizer lawns turn green. Okay, just naturally. And so this is a carbon-based fertility. And the client here, the soil here is just right. It is just producing an excellent, beautiful green lawn. I have just applied my organic fertilizer. And the thing about this, if you're using organics and you get everything correct, the biology, everything operating between the soil and the plant being the lawn here, your grass plant, and you don't need to use as much organics all the time. This is a very large property. I'm just showing the front here, and the back is just as nice. And I'm just using a 50-pound bag of organic fertilizer on here. And I am also going to put on some lime. I put on lime here once a year. And but I just wanted to show you the results of what happens here. I have not overseeded this lawn in several years. I usually come in and aerate and apply some organics and lime once a year, and that's it. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.